No, it's not a good idea. Nasindakapeka kepesi ndaipeka zvakanaka. Takabvumirana nezuro kuti zvakudzokera kunana X, it's a no. It's a no. But there's more than 100 people per thousands angaripo nezuro. There's more than 100 people at it. What if you want to get back my ex wedu, right? I keep saying don't go back to your ex. But if you've decided you want to go back to your ex, I can help you. My methods and my methods are no shanda. But I'm not shanda no like situation, maringene situation actually, right? So I'm just gonna carry on because I'm just not last too long. I'm gonna proceed and I gotta say right. Kwananda kapeka kepe says prayer and this also got this. Right. First thing, right? First of all, we don't want to get back with my ex. It's not a good idea to get back with your ex. But if you decide you want to get back with your ex, Sammy Slambela, how are you? If you decide you want to get back with your ex, there are some few things you need to note. I'm assuming unenge watopedza watoziya reason yako kutsokera naye, maybe I don't know. But first method, if you want to get back, which I'm advising you, don't go back to your ex. Nothing will improve. Mungagara 10 years, but shango my foot. But if you decide get back with your ex, the first thing you don't do is to contact them. Don't contact your ex. Otherwise, anomera Mapira. If you want to get back with them, the first step you need to do is not to contact. I know the temptation is there. Do good to get an essence of contact. Trust me. Don't contact him. I know, but also he or she will think, yeah, I'm the best for you. No. Don't contact him. At the same time, don't post really negative. Don't post bad stuff, negative stuff. Can on social media. Don't post negative stuff about anything. I'm a lot of granite. What decide a lot of granite. Don't post negative stuff. That's what I'm going to Number 3, don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. That's number 3. Usaji hurt wewe. Whatever you do, say that you know hurt you. So no je hurt you. Apa munengo da tsakana na ex wako. Number 4, don't just get into relationships easily. Usa jamba ngoira mu relationship. Kana uchida tuto never lodzokana na ma ex abo. Ndakakudza nzoro tsokuzokana na ma ex, it's a no for me. Don't go back. But if you decide kudzokana na ex, tapa number 4. Don't get into relationships easily. Rega ungoita mawira mombe. Nicha explain afuti why. Apana chini chinobviringidza ex sekunzwa kuti pamakaramba naye pamakore wakatonoita mawira mombe wakadana vanhu 5, 6, 7. Right? Number 5, go out with friends, meet new people, but try by all means kuti vanhu vanongosangana navo vange vari ve-same sex. Yokuita newo ndaramba na-ex woita ma-friends echirume hobo ex kana anga achida kudzokera newe dzimwe nguva anopedzisira funga kuti vese vari kukukacha. Depend on makarambana naye. But I keep coming back to the ex. It's not a good idea. But I'm just helping hundreds of people. But we have inbox one. We got cheaper to the Twitter second to the ex, right? Number 6. Start doing some like back burner. Start doing zvimwe zvinhu zvaimbosova kuita uchi nax, but zvazviri muback of man zvanga wakangosuppressa. Start doing zvinhu zvakadero, taking pictures, uchienda kugym, stuff like that. Iwewo kana wakaita zvinhu zvandataura izvezvo usinga looking after your own feelings, right? Ndichanyatsokuudzai pakuti, right, let's say you want to get back now without making a big panoda kuyedhewera pane mafacts andataura, ndombokumirira ndirumirira vachangosvika vari kuteera zvandataura pakutanga. Pano vari kumirira pandambotaura papa ndati chii, you don't want to look desperate. That's a big mistake. Kana ukadzokera naex wako, whatever you do, don't look desperate. Ukadzokera naex uchiratidza kuti ungori desperate, waita big mistake. So this is how you do it. If you don't want to look desperate, this is how you do it. First of all, don't disagree with the reason why makarambana. Makatorambana, ma reasons wanga ari valid. Makatorambana because mamafinana. Yes, makarambana because akahura, makarambana kuti iwo akahura. Don't disagree with that. Zvakatoitika. So don't argue with that. Mumind mako kana pari. But never try to convince him or her to come back. Right? Don't look desperate. And also never try to convince him. It's a bad move here. Right? First of all, take your responsibility. But kurambana kwatakaita neniwo ndandiri involved. Pane zvandakatombokanganisawo pakurambana kwatakaita naex wangu. Pane ukatora responsibility. Remember, I'm one guy, not don't go back to your ex. I'm just doing this live to help her. Not there's a few, and sometimes my inbox thousands of messages. How do we get back with our ex, right? So don't look desperate. Don't contact him. The temptation is good. Hello, no, don't contact your ex. If you want to get back with them, don't contact them, right? But take responsibility. Vuma kuti newo wakacontribute mukurambana. Don't blame. Let them come to you. Let them come to you. Put yourself first. Put yourself first. Iwe when you want to look after yourself first. And have a clear vision. My boxes are not from what to take up. Even my conditions, kana tozodzokera tichagara patable ndomuudza kuti izvi nezvizvi ayo ngatimboenda munarura edwa tione ghost account kana iri ghost tongodonetsa azvinetsa timbonzwa tauri kudii. Kana munhu andiri kuita iri kutora time zvayo edha